My name is Catherine McLennan and I'm the Head of International Sales for the Solar International Department here at Dulas Limited, which is based here in Mid Wales. Our overall mission is to develop and implement renewable energy solutions to improve people's lives, help combat climate change and reach the most rural communities across the globe. At Dulas, we've worked alongside experts within the team for many years, and without their support, we would not be able to play a part in the immunisation of millions of children across the globe. Usually, we would travel to country and carry out face-to-face training on the installation and maintenance of our solar direct drive refrigerators. With the COVID-19 travel restrictions, that meant that we could not physically be in country. So we needed to look for a solution that could help us with that in-country presence. So the funding from SMART helped us develop an online learning management system, which is now known globally as the Dulas Academy. The Dulas Academy is an online portal which allows us to actually be in country without being in country. It's a modular setup and is geared toward Ministry of Health technicians and also our in-country partners, and covers all aspects of looking after our solar direct drive refrigerators. The support we've had has been absolutely integral to us carrying on our work. We've been able to overcome barriers. We've been able to actually undertake one of the largest installation projects that we've ever done in country and carry out the training from here in the UK, which we never thought possible. Working alongside the team at SMART has been a seamless process, and the support that I've had has been fantastic. So I would absolutely recommend that any company just get in touch and go for it.